Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
All right, here's the situation at this hour. Quiet in Alabama for the time being, but we have a lot of dangerous storms in Arkansas now moving into Louisiana. We're watching for a developing strong line of storms near a cold front to move our way overnight tonight. But ahead of that line, we could see potential supercells develop in Mississippi over the next several hours and possibly move our way late this evening. So I'm going to be watching this cluster right here closely to see if those intensify as we move it through the next several hours. Here is the severe weather risk map for the entire region. Still a level 4 risk in place between Memphis, Tennessee, and Jackson, Mississippi. That is where the best chance at very dangerous weather is in place. But we do have quite the risk here in North Alabama as well. New this afternoon, level 3 risk now in place for both the I-65 corridor and the shoals. That's where the most likely area is to see severe weather later on tonight. Level 2 risk in place once you get to around Sand Mountain. Right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, no rain to be found, and we are going to stay dry through this evening. We have had more sun than expected today, which has made for a nice Friday, but that's actually not a great thing on days like today because that helps build the instability in the atmosphere, and we look at instability as one of the factors that contributes to potential severe storms. We'll talk more about that in just 1 minute. Current temperatures in several spots are in the low 80s, 83 in Moulton and in Muscle Shoals, 79 at this hour in Huntsville. It's going to stay quiet for the next several hours. If you want to grab dinner outside, you're going to be just fine through 8 o'clock. It's going to be after sunset, a few hours after sunset, that we will be watching the potential for severe storms. Now, if you do have evening plans out and about, make sure to be aware that it is going to be fairly windy, especially after 10 p.m. That's when the wind should really get going, and it is going to be a windy night across the board. That wind energy is one of the key reasons that we are worried about potential severe storms. When we look for the severe weather ingredients, we look for 4 different things: wind shear, lift, instability, and moisture. The wind shear, which is a measure of the wind speed or change in direction with height, is nearly off the charts. It's very high today. We have strong lift with the cold front moving in. The instability is the main question with any storms moving our way tonight. Usually with an overnight storm system, instability tends to be on the lower end, but with the sunshine we had today, that may help increase our threat for severe storms a little bit later on tonight. Let's get right to future radar. Latest model data showing dry conditions through 9 o'clock, but after that, we could possibly see dangerous storms, and it's going to start in northwest Alabama. We'll pause it at 10:30 here, and notice that Boeing segment right there. That's where we could potentially see some very dangerous straight line wind gusts, upwards of 70 miles per hour possible. We could see additional Boeing segments, maybe even supercells embedded with this line as it tracks across North Alabama through the night, approaching Sand Mountain around 2 or 3 a.m. and then quickly clearing out late tonight. By sunrise tomorrow, we will be rain free, and it will be a much nicer and quieter day on Saturday. Quick look across the region. 9 a.m. to 1 a.m. or 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. is your window for potential dangerous storms around the shoals. For the I-65 corridor to Huntsville, 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. is the most likely time frame for dangerous storms, and then 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. for folks around Sand Mountain. Now, make sure you have multiple ways to receive warning information. Have that phone charged before you go to bed tonight. And stay tuned to us here at Way 31. We will keep you updated through the rest of the night. Highs at 77 both Saturday and Sunday. Rain chances Sunday night may linger into early Monday. More rain possible late next week.